Hello guys, it's the Budget Tech Guy here, and I recently got a new phone, which was the Xiaomi Mi A3, which I'm unboxing in this video. First thing we see when we open it up is the SIM card clip, as well as some paperwork with the warranty cards and that kind of stuff. And also a flexible clear cover is included, which is very nice, I believe. Next up is the phone itself. I decided to get it in this blue color. I believe you can get it in 3 different colors, but I decided to go with the blue one. And also you see some specs here on the screen. Next up is the included USB-C cable, as well as the wall charging plug. And that's pretty much all there is in the package. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna be doing a few videos on this product in the upcoming weeks and probably months. So if you want to see that, you should subscribe, and yeah, have a great day and thank you so much for watching.